Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off read status on your account on TikTok, easy and quick. First, click on your profile, click on these three lines here, click settings and privacy, and now click privacy. Now here you will find a messaging, click on it, and here just click like this, and you're gonna make it off, and that's how to turn off read status on your account on TikTok, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.